Hello everybody, today I would like to introduce you our new developed dye laser, this one. New fiber cupped dye laser 810 nanometer for permanent hair removal. In order to make a simple introduction, I would like to introduce the difference between this new style dye laser and the last generation 808 nanometer dye laser. Firstly, I would like to talk about this new styled 810 nanometer dye laser apparently. And from the size you can see it looks like similar like the fax machine that we usually can see in our office. And for example, this handpiece, it even looks like the telephone speaker as we can see. But the weight of this handpiece is much more lighter. The 808 dye laser has such handpiece, but because the different laser source, the laser source of this dye laser is in this handpiece, and plus the cooling system and the stabilized modules, you can feel the weight of this handpiece is much higher than this one. And here we come to the screen of this new style dye laser. For this dye laser, we have adopted the new 10-inch touch screen. And of this size of screen, you can use it just freely. Below this screen, you can see the key for start and turn on and turn off. And this is the emergency key. And this size, this area is for air in. Here you can see, behind this machine, there are two fans just for cooling system and in order to guarantee the best cooling effect. On the right side, you can see this is the water input and a water window where you can see how much water left within the laser. And also you can see the interface vent and interface drain. On the left side, you can see this is our nameplate, and this is for power supply, and also this interlock as the industry standard of the laser. Also, this is for the full dispatch. As following, I prefer to show more details of our software. Here you can see our logo, single heron, as our registered mark race laser. And this is one of our big advantages, that is self-testing. On the self-testing system, you can see all the different items to be tested. Okay, this is our main treatment interface. In this interface, you can see different parameters like fluence. It can up to 100 joule, and frequency is up to 10 Hz. Also, you can see this part is for different skin options from 1 to 6. And also we have set different treatment option for the body parts. Using such a combination between skin types and the treatment parts, you can get all our suggested parameter in the interface. Also, you can see the cooling temperature for the handpiece, and it is allowed for the operator to suggest the temperature from -4 up to 10 centigrade. After one treatment, we allow you to clear the shot number to the 0 shot. Then we will come to the setting interface. In the setting interface, you can see the sequence serial number for this device and also the total counter which you have shotted. If you don't want to hear any beep during the treatment, of course, you can shut it down. You see? Okay. And for this screen, we also allow you to adjust the light of the screen. In total, we have allowed you to adjust 10 levels. And also, maybe you come from the different countries. Here, we allow you to choose the different language like Chinese, German, Russian, Spanish, and English. For our dye laser, we have 3 treatment methods. First one is we allow you to treat the handpiece only with hand. And also, we allow you to treat this handpiece with hand and the foot together. And also, you can choose only with the foot to operate this handpiece. The last item of this handpiece is a keyboard. Please don't worry too much about this keyboard. It is just for our engineer. You don't have to make any concerns of that. We will return to the main interface for treatment. You may ask, how can I make the treatment? Here there are 2 buttons. One is off, one is on. Of course, when you are ready for treatment, just press this on, and then you are ready to make shot. Here you can see this is the light you can see during the treatment. Of course, during the treatment, please don't forget to wear the goggle for the eyes protection. If you are an old client from us, you can see the philosophy of this new style dye laser is exactly the same as for the last generation dye laser. And what you can saw in this dye laser, and also you can find in the last generation, also fluence, pulse width, hertz, frequency, and also the treatment body parts and the skin options. Also the cooling temperature, counter, standby, and ready. In the end, I would like to summarize the specialized point of this new dye laser. Here you can see the size of this dye laser is much more smaller than last generation, and also the handpiece is much more lighter than last generation. With this size of a dye laser, I can see you can just put easily into your backside trunk. You can transport it anywhere where you would like. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, during this video you may hear the too much noise from both machines, but I can see the noise just comes from one machine. That is our last generation. Here I show you. And then when I turn off this laser, you can hear the obvious comparison between the last generation and this new generation. And also another big advantage of this laser is with the new technology, Fiber Optic technology, and we have combined this handpiece and the laser device inside this device together, and you just don't worry about the lifetime of this laser, because with this new technology, the lifetime of this laser lasts much longer than you can imagine. Okay, everybody, this is what is all for today. If you have any idea, please just leave your comment below. Let us know. See you.